pillows to stop snoring? Who'da thunk it? Well, actually, tons of people. I know people are interested in this, so I have written a post on my site about it. You can check it out now by clicking the link below. Using pillows to stop snoring is non-invasive and in many cases very helpful. Learn more about it, like I said, on my site, and while you're there, would you leave me a comment too? Thanks. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.